I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this is Roxy Road Guides. As you can tell by the title and by the cover on this binder, today we are making a budget binder or finance planner for the brand new year. Hold on, before we get started here, I need you guys to do me a favor. Please click down below and like this video, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in anything organizational. I have a lot of other videos that are going to come up about finances because that's a new area of my life where I'm trying to grow, and I'm actually trying to see if I can start a business from it, from helping my own finances. So please go ahead and smash that like button below. Make sure you're clicking notifications and look at my other videos. You might be interested. All right, let's get started. A binder, dividers. You should probably get ones that go to 12 for the 12 months. And I also have another pack here for other parts of the binder that I want to make. A hole puncher. Last, you'll need a computer and printer so that you can print out all of the pages that you'll need to go ahead and have your planner for the brand new year. I'll put a link for all these pages. It's a PDF file that I bought through Etsy online. It's a budget planner pack, and it was really nice. I bought 2 of them because I liked some in one and some in the other. So before I used to use notebooks, and now I'm so glad I've upgraded to a binder, which is so cool. But now I really want to see how I'm going to utilize this to really help me save money, budget, and help me track my spending for next year. So the 3 main things I want to do, number 1, I want to organize. Right? I want to track the money that's coming in and out of our home. The next thing I want to do is just really make sure that I'm setting a plan for budgeting and how I want to spend my money so that I can save, so that we may be able to spend our money on things that we want to have in the future. It could be travel, it could be renovations, it could be different things that I need to think about in the future of this year. This new year, 2021 coming up. Thank God 2020 is over. But just trying to budget and come up with a plan for the future. And the last thing I want to make sure that I'm able to do, I really want to set a goal at the beginning of the year that we could try to stick to, so that by the end of the year, we know what goals that we're able to meet, or by the middle of the year, and we could check that off and go to our next part. And then it's really important to set those monthly goals in your budget to make sure that you have set those monthly goals. You're doing what you need to do to help you with your savings, and also help with debt repayment. That's something that's also very important for me to put into my budget binder, because I really want to get, hopefully this year, to $0 in credit card debt. That would be so amazing. Please go ahead and add a comment in the chat, because I really need some encouragement to make sure I do not have debt for 2021. It was really hard to even get my debt down for 2020, but I'm really glad and I was able to do it. So now my goal is to get debt free, or at least credit card debt free. You know, we always had those student loans. Hopefully we're able to do something about that. But yeah, at least just trying to get my debt in control and my savings as optimal as possible, so that I just have more money for the year and more money for things I really want to spend money on and I really want to do. So let's get started making this binder. The first thing you want to do is print out all of your papers and then hole punch all of them so they're ready to put inside of their binder. The next thing you want to do is organize all of your papers so that they make sense inside of your binders. So I have in my binder, I have labels for the first part of my budget planner. So I have a part for bank account information and credit card information, a part for the year view of what I really want to focus on for the year and track for the year. I have my bill tracker, so I'm going to write my bills and track every month how much I paid and when I paid, and if I paid, I always pay. And then the debt repayment tracker. So this kind of lets you know, you can go on to this thing called Snowball debt repayment. I'll put the link in the description below. There you can actually put in your information for credit cards or loans that you have, and they'll let you know if you pay this much, how many months do you have left to pay the remaining balance. And it's really helpful for me to go ahead and track that to see if I'm on track or if I'm behind. And I also do a separate part for savings. So I have like a savings part, what do I want to save for, how many, and then what's my milestones along the way, and other parts for like a journal so I can write down other goals and other miscellaneous things that I want to add to my list. Then I have also my monthly planner. So each month it gets a budget planner where it talks about my income, my expenses, a checklist to show like my shopping list and things that I want to do the month, and even a tracker, a spender tracker. I'm going to find it. And a calendar so I can go ahead and track when each bill comes in each month. So let's go ahead and organize it on here. So here is my first section of my binder. I'm just spreading it out so you can see. And then each month, I'm going to have these pages. So let me go back. Each month, I'll have a monthly checklist, a monthly calendar, and I found a different kind that I kind of like. I kind of like the long version so I can do the whole month and not feel like I'm squishing it on a page. A budget planner, so I'm going to be putting in my income, my savings, and my expenses, my fixed expenses each month. And then the spending tracker, so we're able to track spending for the whole month, and this can be multiple pages. And now we put it into the binder. Here is the final reveal of my finance or budget planner slash binder slash all of it. All right, here we go. Please leave a comment right below if you like this video. I hope that you guys like this video on creating a DIY financial planner binder for the new year. I hope that you stay organized, safe, healthy, and God bless.